Chattanooga. Gotta make sure I stay on 85 though.
Yeah. It's a big city.
Danielle, isn't it a big city?
What is it?
It's the Peachtree City. We're gonna turn the movie
Wow,
back.
that is nice.
I told you we're gonna go through the middle of Atlanta. See if you can see the Capitol. Look, guys, look how many buildings. Look.
Now that is the life.
Now, is that a city or what? Wow, Atlanta's gotten big since I was here last. Gloria, look. David, can you see? You can lean up forward up here. You can lean forward, you can see.
Dang, it looks awesome.
Montgomery, this way.
Sweet home Alabama.
Okay, 75 and 85 south. Okay. Do you see that building with the antenna on top? That's the Peachtree Center. Georgia Dome. I think the Capitol is right in those buildings, the next set of buildings. I'll give a nickel to whoever sees the Capitol first.
What does the Capitol look like?
Okay, wait a minute. South 85. 85 this way. 85. The Capitol, it's real easy. It has a golden roof. It has a dome and a golden roof. It's probably right in the middle of those buildings there. I don't see it. It's in there somewhere.
When are we going to see Mimi and Granddad?
Tomorrow. You guys see the Peachtree Center over there? The big, tall, round one? David, you can see it. It's on your side. Everything is peaches here.
No, not really.
See? Peachtree.
Okay, I want to see the Capitol.
Yeah, I think it's going to be right over here on the right-hand side.
I'm sure it is.
Macon and Montgomery. Okay. Can't see the
There's a
Capitol.
hotel.
Okay,
It
David.
is.
David, you need to look back and see if you can see the Capitol behind you. Where is it? I gotta keep my eye on the road.
I think I just saw the Capitol.
Yeah, it's easy to see once you get in the right
I
spot.
just saw the dome.
Okay,
That's
look.
all I saw, though.
Wow, so many buildings. Anybody see it? Oh, there it is, right there. Right in front of it. There it is.
I saw it first now.
You did, David, you did. You see it? Came out of nowhere. I thought it was around the buildings, but I guess not. It wasn't. That's the Georgia State.
Nickel.
Yeah, I'll get you a nickel when we stop because I can't get it now because I can't do it when I'm. Look back behind us and you can see the gold dome of the Georgia State Capitol. Wait till we get a tiny bit further away. There it is. I can see it real well now. Look back behind.
I see it.
Shine back behind. Get back behind, Elijah. To the back. Oh, you're looking at it in the mirror. That's smart. You guys can see it? Look how bright gold it is. Now we're getting closer to the airport. You see lots and lots of planes.
Yep.
I still don't see any planes, but they're here, believe me.
There's a train up ahead.
I see the train. Oh, there's a train.
There's the baseball stadium, the Atlanta Braves. Atlanta has a football team, a baseball team.
Train.
Look, Elijah, shoot straight back at the look straight back. Can you see the Capitol in the mirror?
No.
Wait, watch when we turn. Right about
Ooh, I
there.
see.
It is.
I see it, the gold dome. And I can see all the other buildings.
Okay, David gets a nickel. Start looking for planes, guys. The busiest airport in the whole world.
Yeah.
But it's to the south of Atlanta, so
So which way?
the way we're going.
Oh.
And they're going to be landing from the west.
Dad, are we almost to Texas?
Not really.
No, we have to spend the night in Alabama.
Alabama's the last day.
Alabama's the last state for the day.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going to go.
No, Dad, she's the last, what's the state again?
What'd you say?
The state that has Baton Rouge.
Louisiana.
Louisiana's the last state to Texas. I want the movie on now.
Okay, go ahead, put it on. We're through the middle of Atlanta now, so think you got a good video. Columbus, Georgia, Montgomery. Oh, we need to stay on 85. Don't want to get on 75. I want to get at 85.
There's a plane. Plane.
Yep, they're going on in. They land they take off at two at a time and they land two at a time.
Wow, look at that.
Every 3 minutes will be a new set of two planes. Two planes will come in together and two planes will take off together. Every 3 minutes. That's how fast that's how many planes are going up. We're gonna stop for a minute where the planes are, and then you guys can switch again. We're only going to stop for a minute because we can't afford to stop too long. But I really want to see the planes because I like planes.